We're working at Jordan-Hare Stadium, a bathroom renovation, removing the toilets, sinks and everything on the walls. We're putting new tile back on the walls, putting new lighting up and in. Just in general, all surfaces will be resurfaced on it. Some of the items we put in is the new LED product. It's all waterproof in there because these are not climate controlled in there, so there's a lot of different climates happening in there. COVID impact, well, it helped us in a way because they shut down school right there, so that got all of our traffic out of our way. But then it's also held us up, taken a long time to get the lights. We still hadn't got all the doors on the project. We've had good and bad from it. People that come to the ball games and all that will have a lot nicer bathroom to use. It's a big upgrade on that part right there, a lot cleaner looking. Looking forward to stadium opening up in this fall and people getting to enjoy the work we've done right here. We're hoping everything gets turned loose on that.